crafters of the world, I hope you're having a great day. Today I would like to take you through something else I just discovered recently and I'm so enthusiastic about it. It's basically modeling clay. I came across this DAS product, which is made in Italy, and I purchased it in 500 grams for around, well, just under £4 on eBay. And it is simply amazing. Not only it can be resealed, thus preserving its lifespan. It keeps it very nice and soft inside, but it hardens very well, comes in white, and even if you drop it the way I dropped yesterday my items on the floor, I realized that once hardened, they do not crack. I mean, what more can you want? And, well, to start with, I have experimented with these roses. I particularly like this medium and small rose, not very enthusiastic about the big rose because the edges are not very delicate as the other two. So I said, okay, let's try to do this all over again. So I also purchased from eBay this pink modeling trays, which are made of plastic and they stretch so well, as you can see here. I think they are being sold for those who make chocolate and for other purposes. Myself, I decided to buy them for doing my clay modeling. And besides these 5 models you can see here, I also ordered another 2, one set of 11 flowers and another set of shells. Again, I think some 9 or 10 shells. So I'm really enthusiastic about all of it, as I said earlier on, because it's so easy to achieve great results, as you can see here. So it's very simple. You start modeling the clay, not much, just to fill your mold up to that limit. Don't go over it because it doesn't make any sense. After all, you want to attach it to your design, and you can paint it. I even painted one spray paint with some mica paint. Oh my gosh, the color is simply amazing. So I started by making the 4 roses, as you saw there, then the 4 leaves, and then the flower ornament. And you know what? I could have left it, just take the imprint and take it straight away. But I decided to leave it for some 4-5 minutes, and you know what? It already looks amazing as I removed it after these 4-5 minutes. Later on, I tried doing the same with the frame you see there on the left hand side, together with that big ornament with the 4 another small designs around it. And you know what? I'm so happy with everything. What I did with the frame, I only filled the edges because the frame is pretty small. I think it's only 5 by 8 centimeters. So in order to create the idea of a bigger frame, what I did, I decided to cut it as I removed it from the mold straight away at the corners, so I can stretch this frame idea to make it, say, 10 by 15 centimeters. So the sky is the limit if you have got the imagination when doing all this. What you also do, when some people wait until the end, until everything is dry in order to file it with nail files. But what I also did, as they were drying, I start cutting these extra edges with my knife in order to make sure I don't have further work later on. And you know what? You can use any kitchen knife. It's as simple as that. So yeah, it is a brilliant idea, and I cannot wait to start using it for the other designs I mentioned to you. One very important thing is, as you remove the longer items, start from the thinnest corner and slowly go towards the other corner. Otherwise you might even break your design. But if you can't be bothered, you know what, the designs are so beautiful anyway, and you can, you know, just model them as you want or paint them, and who cares, are going to look nice in a big design you are going to create. So I hope that all this information was of any help to you, that it inspired you. Keep in touch with me and have a very nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.